Yeah, hello. In this video, I will show you how you can merge voiceover in Filmora or any other editing app like CapCut. Okay, it's not only voiceover you can merge; you can also merge music. So let's go to Filmora. Let's get started. Okay, so assuming I'm working on a new project, click on a new project. Okay, click on a new project here. New project. Okay, so assuming I'm working on a new project. So if that is the case, maybe um for example, I want to work on let me select a particular video. Okay, let me select these two videos, or let me just select images. For example, images. So these are the images I want to work with. Okay, I've imported all these images. These are my images, and I want to add music, or I want to add voiceover to these images. Okay, so for example, what you have to notice first is this vertical line. Look at this vertical line I'm talking about. This vertical line, you see that it is placed at the beginning. That means if you import anything, it will start from this beginning. That's the meaning of this vertical line. Okay, so if I scroll to my left, as I'm scrolling to right, this vertical line is moving, so, and if I want to import anything now, that means I will have to start from this place. Okay, I will have to start from this beginning, very beginning. Okay, so if that is the case, I will have to press something like audio. Okay, press audio. So you go to your music. I told you can import by different kind of ways. You know how to import from your file. You can import directly from your file to your phone. Okay, just click on import. Make sure you've sent or you save the voiceover on your phone, and you already knew the directory. Okay, for example, assuming I've saved everything here on my song here, this folder, I will just click on select which one I want to import. Then you select something like a scan here. Okay, to import everything. Very simple. So those, assuming this is my voiceover and I've already imported it, so therefore you would have known the names. Okay, make sure you've known the names that you used to save it. So you have to search for the name here, the name of the voiceover, the name you used to save the voiceover. So for example, let me just say solo something. That's my voiceover. So after you have searched for it, you can also add it to favorite. This love emoji, you select it, it will tick it. When you tick it, it will add it to your favorite. That is, it will save there, so that you will not be wasting your time of looking for it when next you need it. So let me just go to my favorite now, favorite, because I've already saved it. So go to favorite. I have different kind of, let me select it. Now how do you import this? You see the plus icon. I'm just trying to play this thing now. So the plus icon in front of it, that's what you press. So let me press it. So this is, you see now, it started from the beginning because of where this vertical line is. Okay, assuming I want to merge another one now, so you first play this one, you first place the one, so where, assuming this is the place that it ended now. So let me expand these images now. You see that this, my first voiceover is not enough, it ended here. So you have to drag this vertical line. You have to drag this vertical line to this place where it ended. Make sure you straighten it to the place where it ended. So it's very simple. Then you add another voiceover from this vertical. Make sure that this vertical line stay on top where it ended here. Then you add another one, so that another one you add we just continue from that place. That's how to merge it. There's nothing there. So let me add another one. You see that the another one that I added, we just continue from where the first one stopped. That's it. You continue adding as much as you like, so that it should be enough for your videos, or it will be enough for your this thing. Then you add your follow back, follow me, subscribe, another thing you want to add. Then you export your video. Simple as ABC. Thank you for watching.